Hello, Mike. Hello,
Hello,
class.
teacher.
Oh, who is first? Who is first? Where is Johnny? Oh, Mike is first. Hello, mommy. Good evening.
It's not my mom. It's my
Oh,
sister.
sorry, your sister. I thought your mommy.
My mommy is tall. It's tall. It's really
Oh,
tall.
okay. Hello, Angel. How are you today? How are you,
I'm
Angel?
I'm okay.
You're good. Okay, wait. I need to open the lesson. Wait. How about you, Johnny? How are you today, Johnny?
Happy.
You're happy. Yes, I'm also happy. We visit the carnival. We enjoy playing with, riding with rides. It's so fast. Mhm. Maybe later we play games, okay? Now let's start. Okay, I will share all of
Timer.
this.
Timer.
Where is Jack? Do you see Jack? I can't see
No.
Jack. Jack, where are you, Jack? Are we now complete, class? Are we now complete? We are not complete. Who is missing? Who is missing?
And
Is Jack missing or Mike missing in his chair? Johnny, who is missing?
yeah.
Who is missing, Jack or Mike? Oh, Angel also missing. Hey, class, come back to your seat. Oh, let's start. Class, come back to your seat. Where is Jack? Oh, is Jack? I can't see Jack. Jack, where are you, Jack? Oh, Jack is... Maybe Jack will late. Will be late. Okay, class, let's start. Mike, Angel, and Johnny. Okay? Okay. Okay, stop that. I don't know how to how to not allow yet. I will not allow you yet. What is it? I will not allow you yet, Mike, because we are in our lesson. Okay, stop doing that, Mike. Later, we play later, okay? Mike.
It's fun. It is fun.
Yes,
It's
I
really
know
fun.
it's fun, but we need to study, okay? Okay, let's start. Fun for Starters, Unit 35. And the title is What, Who, and Are. What, Who, and Are. Now, okay, stop doing that, Mike. I can't see. Okay, what is used to ask about specific thing, people, animal, object? For example, please read aloud, Johnny. Please read aloud example. What is Johnny? Can you hear me?
Yes. What is on the table?
The answer is
This is a pencil.
there.
There is a pencil.
Very good. Next. Please read aloud, Angel.
Where is your book? It is
Okay, Mike.
Is in the bag.
It is.
It is in the bag.
Very good. It's used to ask about place or position. Next example, Mike. When?
When? When is?
When is?
When is? When?
Mike, when is?
What? When is the party on Friday at 2 o'clock?
When is the party? On Friday at 2 o'clock. Very good. Okay, next, who? Who is used? Okay, when first. When is used to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Now let's have who. It is used to ask about people, person. Okay, for example, who is that boy? My brother, Ross. Okay, next. Complete the questions. Complete the questions. I can't see. Do you see? I can see what happened. Complete the question who, what, or where. Write the answers to the questions. Okay, number 1, Angel. Number 2, Johnny. Number
No.
3 is Mike. Angel, Johnny, and Mike. Okay, please answer.
Who this?
Who
Tony.
did Johnny?
Okay, Angel, number 1, please answer.
Who this? Tony.
Who's
Who this?
this?
Tony.
Okay, let's check. Who? Very good. Next, Johnny.
Who did Johnny?
Mm-hmm. No.
What? What this? Camera. Camera. I will let you.
Okay, what's
What's
this?
A camera.
Okay, a camera. Okay, next. Number 3, please answer, Mike. Number 3.
Camera. Camera. What time is it? It's camera.
Where's? Mike, where's?
In Tiny camera.
Mike, where's? Where's? Please read, Mike. Where's?
Where's the camera?
The answer is?
I will let you go.
Where's the camera, Mike?
It's in Johnny hand.
Johnny?
Tony.
Okay, let's check your answer. I thought Johnny. Very good, class. Well done. You have answered it all correctly. Next, let's have number 1. Okay, let's start number 1 with Johnny. Please answer number 1, Johnny.
Who did Alex?
Okay, let's check Alex. Very good. Number 2, Angel.
What the got in her head? Flower. A flower.
A flower. Good job. Next, Mike, number 3.
Where's the shell? It's
Mhm.
on the back.
On her,
Yes,
on her
bag.
bag. Good job. Well done, class. Very good. Next, let's read the starter's tip. The different useful ways to help you remember a word spelling, meaning, pronunciation. You can use word pictures and spelling patterns like where, here, there, can really support learning. Oh, there is Jack. Jack. Hello, Jack. Come here, Jack. Jack, where are you, Jack? Jack, turn on your camera. Where is Jack? I can't see Jack.
Boom, boom.
Where is Johnny? Okay, can really support learning. Let's start. Okay, let's have section B. Words question, word spelling. Please read the first paragraph, the first sentence. Jack, please read this one. This one. This one. Okay, maybe let's start with Angel. I know you know this, Angel. Help Jack.
What? What that? This Tony.
Who's
Who that?
that's?
That's Tony.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Next, please read the second paragraph. Mike, please read the second paragraph. Mike, where are you, Mike? Please read this one.
Where's your?
What's that?
What's that? That Johnny is a cat.
Tony's hat. Okay,
It's
next. Now let's have the
Oh,
last. Please read aloud, Jack. Third paragraph.
What teacher?
Please read this one. This
Look
one.
at
There's a twin.
Yes. Yeah. Crocodile. Here are yeah.
Very good. Okay, where is Johnny? Do you see Johnny? Johnny. Johnny. Okay, now here talks about things that are near. Here, this is this one. And near us, there. But there, things that further away. Okay, now let's ask Mike.
Wow.
Mike,
What?
I see your foot. Mike, this one is here. And this is there. Angel, there, here.
There, here.
Okay. It's near, that's why it's here. And there is further. Very good. Next. Let's have grammar. This, that. What is different of this and that? Please read aloud this. Jack. Oh, Johnny, where are you, Johnny? I see you now. Okay, Johnny. Please read aloud this.
This.
This singular.
This singular.
For example,
For example, I like this apple.
very good. Okay, example of that, Angel.
What?
That
What's that?
is singular.
It's singular.
What's the example?
I like that apple.
Very good. Okay, that is the difference of that, this, and that. Now, please read this one, Jack.
This is my birthday cake.
Okay, please read this one, Mike. Mike. Oh, where is Mike again? Okay, this one, Johnny.
That singular. For example,
This one.
like
This one.
this, that is my burger.
Biggest
Biggest
present.
present.
Very good. Okay, next. What we have here? Okay, let's check. Look at. Okay. Look
What
at
about
the picture. I can't see. Oh, how can I do this? Okay, look at the picture. These girls are friends. Their names are Anne and Sue.
Yep.
These girls are happy. And this is Sue's mom. Is she happy or angry? Okay, where is Sue's mom? Where is Sue's mom? Where is Sue's mom, Angel?
the two moms behind a door?
Oh, okay. And where is Anne? Where is Anne? Jack? Where is Anne?
What teacher?
Where is Anne?
And
Mm-hmm.
is on the bedroom.
On the bedroom. Okay, where is Sue, Johnny? Where is Sue?
Two, eight,
Mm-hmm.
the two, eight, mom,
Mm.
eat, she happy for Henry.
Mm-hmm. Sue, where is Sue? This one. Okay, now please describe this picture. What do you see in this picture, Angel?
The
What do you see in this picture, Angel?
that is the the teddy bear,
Mm-hmm.
the book,
Mm-hmm.
the clouds,
Mm-hmm.
the dog,
Mm-hmm.
the tree,
Yes.
the picture,
Mm-hmm.
the paper, the the girl,
Mm-hmm.
The mom. Mm. No.
Okay, very good. How about Jack? What do you see in this picture?
See mom. Bed
And
and two girls. Teddy bear. Book.
hmm,
Bookcase.
bookcase. Mm-hmm.
No. Sock in a tie.
Yes.
The vase.
Okay, very good. How about Johnny? What do you see in this picture, Johnny?
And t-shirt.
Yes.
bear. Teddy bear.
Mm-hmm. And anything else?
Star. Star.
Oh,
Sock.
socks or sock. Okay.
Book.
Okay. Book. Very good.
Bed.
Mm-hmm. How about the toys? Do you see toys?
Yeah.
Dolls.
The dog. Book.
Mhm. Books. Yes, books.
Hook.
Okay.
Picture.
Picture. Okay. And
Ít rồi.
okay, thank you, Johnny. How about Mike? What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture, Mike?
I see many things.
Mm-hmm. Please describe.
Book,
Hmm.
teddy bear,
Yes.
doll,
Mm-hmm.
picture,
Yes.
socks,
Mm-hmm.
and clothes,
Yes, clothes.
and a bed, pillow,
Bear. Pillow.
and a horse, a toy horse,
Mm-hmm. Pony.
and a scarf, and a scarf,
Mm.
and a shirt,
Yes, a short.
and a doll, and a
Doll.
star, and a baby.
Baby.
That's
Ah.
all.
Okay, very good, class. But you can see in this picture is so messy. That's why Shu's moms is angry. Yes, she is angry because it's a lot of things scattered in Shu's room. As you can see, they are playing. Anne and Shu are playing. This is Anne and this is Shu. And this is Shu's mom. Okay, good job, class. Very good. Next. Now let's start. Number, where, who in the questions. Okay, wait, I will send your picture. Wait. Wait. Oh, where is the Zalo? Zalo. I'm so happy. We are complete. Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson. Here. Now, write where. Okay, stop that. Now, write where, who in the questions. Okay? Okay, who is number one? Who is number one? Angel. Number two, Mike. Number three, Johnny. Number 4, Jack. Okay, what's the answer? Number 1, Angel.
The mother is Mary.
Very good. Number 2, who is number 2? Mike, please answer number 2. Mike. Yes. Is that where or who?
Where?
Okay, let's check your answer. Where? Number 3, Johnny.
They are
Where or who?
Where?
Okay, where? Next, Jack. What's the answer? Number 4.
who is playing with a dog.
Good job. Very good, class. Now, please read number 1 to number 4. Johnny.
Who is angry? Where are the girls? Where are
Mhm.
the
Clothes.
clothes? Who
Mhm.
is playing with a dog?
Very good. Okay, please read aloud, Angel. One to 4.
Mm,
Who is angry?
who's
Mm-hmm.
the mother?
Mm-hmm. Okay, please read aloud the questions. Who is angry? Who are the girls? Where are the clothes? And who is playing with a doll? Okay, please answer this one. Okay, Mike, number 1. Who is angry?
Oh,
Who's mom?
teacher, may I go out?
Okay. Mike?
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay. Jack, you're naughty. Okay. Why, if I'm asking question, you want to go out? Why? Oh, my class is so smart. Why you want to go out if I'm asking a question? Why? Why? Okay, are you done, Jack? Who is angry, Mike?
It's mom.
Who's mom? Who's mom, Mike?
It's soon mom.
Okay. It's Shu's mom. Number 2, please answer, Jack. Number 2.
What?
Number 2, where are the girls?
Where are your girls?
Mm-hmm. Find the girls, Jack. Find the girls. There are.
Nước bao luôn đi.
Nhớ
Where are the girls, Jack? The room. Very good. Okay, number 3, Angel. Where are the clothes?
Me.
Angel, where are the clothes?
The clothes on the stairs.
On the
On
floor.
the stairs.
Okay, now let's check. Number 4, Johnny. Where are you, Johnny?
who
John.
play with a dog.
Is it Anne or Sue? Anne or Sue? Okay, let's check, class. The mother. Correct, Mike? Where are the girls? In the Sue's bedroom. Correct, Johnny? Where are the clothes? On the floor. Very good, Angel. Who's playing a doll? The girls. Okay, good job, class. Now
Yeah.
write one word answers. Okay, let's have number 5. Where are the clothes now? Angel?
Close. Your close.
Under the bed.
Okay, very good. Number 6, Jack. Jack. Number 6. Please read number 6.
Where are your books now? Your book is on the book and your bookcase.
Bookcase or cupboard. Cupboard or bookcase. Very good. Okay, number 7, Johnny. Please read question number 7.
Who is sitting on the bed?
Mm-hmm. Who's
The
sitting on the bed?
girl.
Okay, the girls. Okay, very good. Number 8, let's give chance for Mike. 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 Where are you, Mike? Okay, please answer number 8.
It's mom. Mom is open. Mom's open.
Mother or mom. Okay, very good, class. Wow. You know, I really surprised that you answer it all perfectly. Now, which pictures? Which pictures? The girls are standing. Picture 1, 2, or 3. Okay, let's start with, okay, Angel. Which picture are standing?
Two.
Mhm. The answer, Angel, is 2. Okay. Number 2, the mother is pointing. Which 1, 2, 3? Okay, Mike, do you know the answer? The mom is pointing. Okay, you don't know. Okay, maybe let's try Johnny. Johnny. Number 2, the mother is pointing. Is it 1, 2, 3?
It's not a picture half.
This one, this one. This is picture number 1, picture number 2, picture number 3.
It's not half.
Let's, we have here which pictures. Okay, Jack?
It doesn't have. It doesn't have.
It's half.
Number 1.
No.
Oh, number 1, yes,
Number
this
1.
one. Mother is pointing. Next, number 3, Johnny. One cupboard door is closed. Picture 1, 2, or 3.
Picture 3.
One cupboard door is closed. The other one is open. The other one is closed. Okay, you need to think about it carefully. Which one of the pictures that the other one is closed and the other side of the cupboard is open? Think about it many times, Johnny. Picture 1, 2, or 3.
Picture 1.
Okay, is that your final answer?
Two. Picture number 2.
Okay, next. Number 4. Okay, let's have Angel. The clothes.
This one for
Mm-hmm.
picture 1.
Okay, the clothes on the floor. Okay, picture number 1. Very good. Next, the books are in the cupboard. Mike, the books are in the cupboard. The books are in the cupboard.
The book is in the cupboard.
Books are, sorry. The books are in the cupboard. 1, 2, or 3.
3.
Okay, very good. Correct. Next, the girls are playing with dolls. Jack, the girls are playing with dolls. Where is Jack? Jack! Okay, Johnny, your turn. The girls are playing. Oh, there you are. I thought you go out. Okay, Jack, number 6. Please answer number 6.
The girls are playing with dolls.
Okay, 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3.
1 or 2.
Mm-hmm. 2. Okay, very good. And number 7. Do we have number 7? Yes. Number 7, Johnny. Wait. Number 7. There are. Sorry, number 8. Number 8, Johnny. There are. Johnny. Please answer number 8. What's the answer, Johnny?
Me.
Johnny. Hello, Johnny. Johnny. Where are you, Johnny? Can you hear me?
Picture 2.
Oh, picture 2. Very good. 3 pictures on the wall is. On the wall is. Let me check. There are 3 pictures on the wall. I think it's all the same. It's 1, 2, 3. What do you think? What do you think, Jack? Is it all 1, 2, 3? There are 3 pictures on the wall. Jack? I think it's all 1, 2, 3. How about Angel? Angel, can you please help us? Angel, I need your help. Number 8 is there are 3 pictures on the wall.
It's 1.
1 only?
Old.
How about number 2?
3.
Old, the picture.
3.
Old.
Okay, there is all pictures. Oh, what happened? Okay, wait. I can see you now. Oh, where are you, class? Wait. I need to bring you here. Okay.
Sao đồng hồ không chạy em?
Mm-hmm.
Em biết rồi nhưng sao đồng hồ nó không chạy? Hình như sao không chạy?
Ảnh động chạy nhá. Rồi đây.
There we are. There we are. What do you think, Angel? Number 8. There are 3 pictures in the wall.
It's picture 3.
All pictures.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Okay, Johnny is correct.
2, 3,
Very
4, 5,
good.
6, 7, 8.
Okay, well done, class. Now let's proceed. Sentence, section D. Now retell the story about Anne, Shu, and Shu's mom. Now, please tell a story. Retell a story. What happened to this picture. Let's start with Johnny. Okay, no. Let's start with Jack. Jack, now retell the story about Anne, Shu, and Shu's mom. Make a story. Go, Jack, go. You can do it. You can do it. Make a story about what do you see in this picture? Jack. Okay,
Should I?
class.
Miss Carol,
Mm-hmm.
play with my friend
Mm-hmm.
and the dog.
And
Read book. Clothes.
yes. Okay, thank you. Next, let's have Mike. Please tell a story about what do you see in this picture. Make a story, Mike.
I don't know.
What do you see in this picture? One day, there is like that. Or you're not done yet? You're not done yet, Jack? Okay, let's try Jack so you have idea. Okay? Jack, your turn. Go.
Two girls.
Mm-hmm.
Reading book. Clothes. T-shirt. T-shirt. And
Yes.
socks under your bed. And book. And toy. Bong.
You tell a story, Jack. One day, Shu and Anne are playing in a room like that.
Right? Girls playing.
Mm-hmm.
Two colors. They are clean.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, your ties.
Mm-hmm.
One color is clean.
Mm-hmm.
So your bed.
And then?
And color is clean. Book and tie.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
And
are you
have
all
the
right?
bookcase.
Very good. Okay, now your turn, Angel. Your turn. Make a story. What do you see in this picture?
I see
One day,
one day. One day.
one day,
One day.
Anne and Shu are playing in a room.
And shoe blade.
In a room.
In the room.
And
Mother mother's shoe.
mm-hmm. Mother Shu is? Mother Shu is what?
My shoe is angry.
Oh, angry. Why? Why she's angry?
And your color is shoe and
What happened? What happened?
Abandoned.
They cleaned the room.
It cleans in the room.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's all. Is that all, Angel? Anything else? What they Anne and Shu do? They put the stuffs. Put the stuffs in the cupboard. Okay, let's have. Are you done, Angel? Oh, not yet. Make a story. What do you see in this picture?
Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy your class. And
Yes,
Shu.
enjoy the class, Jack. Oh, Mike is so behaved now. Oh, Mike. I'm so glad you're so behaved now. Good job, Mike. What's that? Oh, grapes. Yummy. Think about it, Angel. Think about it. Later, let's have Johnny. Johnny, are you busy? What are you doing? Maybe Johnny's making a homework. Johnny, where are you, Johnny? Johnny, Johnny, do you have other Johnny? Johnny. Oh, there you are. Okay, Johnny, please make a story. What do you see in this picture? Hello, Johnny. Okay, I will start. Is that difficult for you? Johnny
Johnny is work.
is working. Oh, Johnny. Okay. Can you please tell a story? What do you see in this picture? Can you please tell a story? What do you see in this picture? What do you see, Johnny?
What am I doing?
Okay, maybe I will help you, class, and practice this one. Okay, one day there are two best friends, Anne and Sue. Anne and Sue are playing in the room. They are playing baby. They are playing a Barbie doll. And then they scattered all the toys, the things, the books, the clothes, and also the pony and the teddy bear on the ground. When mom came in the room, she get angry because she pointing the things that is messy. They make the room messy. That's why Anne and Sue decide to clean their room. Number two, in this second picture, to clean the room. But they do is just tuck up the clothes under the table and other things just stuff into the cupboard.
Teacher,
Yes.
actually the end. The end.
Mm. And the last part, they start playing again. They continue to play. But mom saw what they're doing. They just stuff all the things in the cupboard. Okay, that is the end of our story. Okay, class, remember how to make a story? This is a recorded class, so you practice later, okay? Thank you. Next, ask and answer questions about you. Okay, let's start, Mike. What do you watch on TV? What do you watch on TV, Mike?
I don't have.
You don't have TV?
It's not have this.
What? What is that? TV? What do you want to watch? Anime? Horror?
That robot fight.
Oh, the robot fight. Okay, how about Angel? What do you watch on TV? K-drama? Do you like? Oh, no. What do you watch, Angel? Wait. Let's wait for Angel.
I don't know.
Okay, Jack. What do you watch on TV?
I'm a spinner. One battle spinner.
Oh, one battle spinner. What is that? Anime? Wow, I love anime. I am an anime person. Okay, Johnny, what do you watch on TV? What do you watch?
Anime.
I like Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime. It's a big robot.
Yes.
It's a giant robot.
Where?
It
Where?
can.
Do you have? Do you have there, Mike?
No, I just have the picture.
Ah,
Teacher,
okay. Yes,
I
Jack?
watch Batman.
Wow. Yes. You try to watch Naruto Shippuden. It's so good. Okay, next, what we have
Teacher.
here?
Teacher.
Yes, Mom Jack.
And I watch Pokemon.
Yes, I love Pikachu. Pikachu. Okay, very good. Who watches TV with you? Who watches TV with you, Mike?
I don't know.
Just only you, or with your brother or sister?
With my sister.
Very good. Okay.
Sister.
How about Angel? Who watches TV with you?
Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball. Yes, there is a new version of Dragon Ball. Okay, who watches TV with you? With mommy? Angel? With mommy? Who watches TV with you? Alone? You're alone?
No. Brother.
Dragon Ball.
With your brother. Okay, how about Jack? Oh, Jack have a lot, know a lot of animes. Who watches TV with you? With your friends? Is your friend is outside now waiting to you? Is your friends outside waiting to you to play?
Oh, my baby.
Oh, your baby. Okay, Johnny, who watches TV with you?
Friend and sister.
Very good. Okay, now where is the television in your house, Johnny? Where is the television in your house? In the living room, in bedroom, or in the kitchen?
Living room.
Living room. How about Jack? Where is the television? In the bedroom?
Oh,
Living
in the
room?
living room.
Very
In your
good.
living room.
Very good. Okay, let's have Angel. Where is the television in your house?
The bedroom.
Living room. Okay, Mike, where is the television in your room?
The bedroom.
In the bedroom or in the living room?
In a living room.
Yes,
Living room
very
and
good.
bedroom.
Okay, what do you have for dinner, Mike? Now it's shaking again. Mike, what do you have for dinner? What did you eat tonight? Oh, no tongue twister. No tongue twister. Oh, that's bad, Mike. That's bad. Angel gets scared. Is scared. What? Okay, Angel, what do you have for dinner?
It's
Chicken?
kitchen.
Cheese. What is a pizza? I can't hear.
Chips.
Chips. For dinner, we eat dinner, rice, vegetables.
Teacher.
Mhm. Okay, how about Jack? What did you eat for dinner?
Eat noodles.
Yes, noodles. Johnny, what did you eat tonight?
Phần lớn.
What did you eat tonight?
Meat.
Johnny, where are you, Johnny? What did you eat?
I eat rice and duck.
Wow, Peking duck. Next, who has dinner with you, Jack? Who has dinner with you?
All your family.
Family. Angel, who has dinner with you?
Family.
Very good. Mike, who has dinner with you?
Dinner.
Yes, who has with
Family.
oh family? Oh, Johnny, who has dinner with you?
My sister.
Okay, I think it's too. Oh, I think it's too long. Maybe we will end this lesson and let's have a game. I think you like this. You like this, Johnny, Jackie, Jack. You like this, Jack. Let's do this. Dance like this. Dance like this. Dance like this. Angel, dance like this. Dance like this. Dance like this. Okay, now, Angel, dance like this. Dance like this. Okay, dance like this. Johnny, dance like this, Johnny. Dance like this, Johnny. Dance like this, Johnny. Johnny, like this. Okay, Jack, dance like this, Jack. Jack, Jack, let's do this. Dance off, dance off, dance off. Oh, where is Jack? Okay, dance like this, Mike. Like this teddy bear. Dance like that, like that, like that. Yes, go, go, go. Oh, we are running out of time now. Let's have a reward. A reward class. Okay, we are the legends. We are the first and the most. You are my first class. That's why I'm so proud of you being on time. And you do all your homework. Thank you so much. And you're helping Mike, you're helping Johnny, you're helping each other and doing your task. I'm so proud of you. And also participating in our lessons. Even I think it's difficult. Oh, what happened? Don't do that, Jack. Johnny. Johnny? Okay, don't do that, Mike. Okay, and working hard. I think I really appreciate class.
Painting.
Don't stop painting like that, Mike. Okay, I will have my reward. My reward. Hello. I will give you. Okay. Our top one today will be. Who do you think? Who do you think will be the top one tonight? Will be.
Into.
Okay, our top four will be. Okay, our top four will be. Okay, Jack. Oh, no, 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 not like that. Jack. Oh, wait.
What?
Okay, top four, Jack. Okay, because of that, I'm giving you a fish. A fish. And our
I'm
top.
just one.
Oh, don't cry, don't cry. Better luck tomorrow, next class. And our top three will be. Our top three will be. Who will be? Okay, will be Johnny. Top three. And I'm giving you, Johnny, what do you like, Johnny? Do you like dinosaur or what? A toy cat. A toy cat. Johnny. And our top two will be, who will be our top two is Angel. I'm giving you a pop-it toy. Angel. I think you like this one. What's your reaction, Angel? Okay, our top one. Let's give a chance for Mike. Mike, you will be the top one. I'm so happy you behave in our class. Top one, crocodile. Rawr. Crocodile. Wow. Okay, always behave in our class, okay, and help your classmates. You like this one? Okay, thank you, class, and have a good night. Thank you, Angel. Thank you, Johnny, Jack. Good night.
Bye.
Bye, bye, friends.
Goodbye.
Good night.